I've been using AI to find free certifications, courses, and training while job searching. Here are 5 prompts that actually worked, and you can steal them. Look, I haven't had an interview for a while, and when you're job searching, everyone tells you to upskill and stay current, and that's really good advice. But here's the problem. I'm unemployed. I can't drop $500 on a course right now. So I started using AI to find free or low-cost training that I can use to make myself hireable. I don't know if it's going to work yet, but I'm trying it. And I figured if I'm doing this anyway, I might as well share it with you in case you're in the same boat. Before we jump in, hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. I'm testing new job search strategies every week and sharing what works and what doesn't. So today I'm giving you 5 AI prompts I'm using to find free certifications, courses, YouTube channels, and resources. Plus, I made us a 1-page cheat sheet with all 5 prompts. The link will be in the description. Let's figure this out together. Okay, let's start with the first one. This is the prompt I'm using to find certifications that actually matter to employees. Prompt number 1 is find free certifications in your field. Certifications show initiative. Even if they're not required for the job, they signal that you're serious. Here's the prompt that I'm using. I'm looking to upskill in whatever your field or role is. Can you find free or low-cost certifications that are recognized by employers? Include where to get them and how long they take. I tested this last week and found 3 certifications I'm working on right now. HubSpot Academy, Google Career Certificates, and a LinkedIn Learning course I'm auditing for free. And if you're on LinkedIn and have a paid subscription, you probably have access to LinkedIn training. I'm adding them to my resume under professional development. Even if you're still in progress, you can write currently pursuing whatever the certification is. It shows you're proactive. Here is prompt number 2. You want to find YouTube channels that teach the skills you need. YouTube is underrated for learning. There are experts teaching high-level skills for free. Here's the prompt I'm using. I want to learn whatever the specific skill is for free. Can you recommend YouTube channels that teach the skill with practical, real-world examples? So for example, if you want to learn Excel, which I have to learn Excel, there are channels with full tutorials. Need to understand data analysis? Free content everywhere. Want to improve your communication skills? Tons of resources. I've been using YouTube to learn skills I didn't have time to develop in my last role. And hopefully, when I do get an interview, I can say that I've been actively learning whatever the skill is, in my case, probably Excel, and here's what I've applied. By the way, go ahead and drop a comment and tell me what skill you're trying to learn right now. I want to know what everyone's working on. We need to do this together, and maybe I'm not thinking about a skill I need to learn. Prompt number 3. Find free courses that include projects that I can add to my portfolio. This is something I'm testing right now. Anyone can say they have a skill, but if you can show proof, that's different. Here's the prompt. I want to build, put in this specific skill. Can you find free online courses that include hands-on projects I can complete and add to my resume or portfolio? Here's what I'm finding. Coursework projects, Google's career certificate programs with capstone projects, free code camp if you're learning tech skills, Udemy free courses, I think that's how you say the name. The idea is to take those projects and either add them to your resume under projects, put them on LinkedIn, and bring them up in interviews. Here's something I built while upskilling. I'm working on a couple of these now. We'll see if it helps, and I'll let you know in a follow-up video. Prompt number 4. Find industry reports and white papers so you sound current in interviews. This one's strategic. When you walk into an interview and reference a recent trend or report in your industry, you sound like you're already in the conversation. So here's the prompt. I'm interviewing for roles in whichever industry. Can you find recent industry reports, white papers, or trend analysis I should read to sound informed and current? Here's what it finds. Industry-specific reports, often free from consulting firms, trend articles from credible sources, research studies. Then, if I ever get an interview, I can casually drop, I was reading whatever report name it was recently, and it mentioned whatever trend. How is your company addressing that? At least that's the plan. Prompt number 5. Find communities and groups where I can learn from professionals. Learning doesn't just happen in courses. It happens in conversations. So here's the prompt you're going to want to type in. I want to connect with professionals in whatever field or role you're looking at. Can you recommend online communities, Slack groups, Discord servers, or LinkedIn groups where I can learn and network? Here's what I'm finding. Industry-specific Slack communities, Reddit communities for my field, LinkedIn groups, professional associations with free memberships. I've honestly learned more from being in a few LinkedIn community groups than I have from some paid courses. Plus, network can equal potential job opportunities. Okay, so those are the 5 prompts I'm using. First things first, grab the free cheat sheet. It has all 5 prompts plus 5 bonus ones I didn't have time to cover. The link is in the description. Grab it, share it, talk about it. Second, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. I'm documenting this entire job search journey in real time, testing strategies and sharing what actually is working. You'll want to see what happens next, and you get first sight of that if you subscribe. And third, comment below. What's the number 1 skill you think will get you hired faster? I read every comment and I want to know what you're focusing on. We need to share and build this community, and you might be working on something or found a real gem that can help someone else. Oh, one more quick thing. While I've been job searching, I've also been working on another channel called The Modern CX Mindset. CX stands for customer experience, where I teach high impact soft skills. I'm launching a paid training in December, but there are free videos now if you want to check it out. The link is in the description. So, I don't know why I say so, but I say so. Job searching is hard. And some days I wonder if any of this upskilling is going to matter. But I'd rather be doing something than sitting still. So let's keep learning, let's keep trying, and let's figure this out together. I'm Kelly, the Wandering Duchess, and I will see you next week. Good luck, guys.